Has your WordPress website been hacked? Is it infected with malware that you can't seem to get rid of no matter what you try? Dealing with a compromised website can be a nightmare. But what if I told you there was a way to completely clean your hacked WordPress website and protect it from future attacks? In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact process to clean a hacked WordPress website. I'll show you how to thoroughly scan your website to pinpoint the malware, surgically remove it without breaking anything, and secure your WordPress website to avoid future attacks. By the end, your site will be malware free and secure against future attacks. So I'm Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. Alright, we have a website here. So let's check if it's secure or not. To do that, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this page. We're going to use this tool called Malcare. To start, just click here and sign up with your Google account. Now to check if our site is secure or not, we need to install Malcare. To do that, just click Add Site, then go to your site, copy the URL, paste it here, and click Continue. Alright, now to install Malcare and give it access to scan your site, you need to enter your WordPress admin credentials here and click Submit. Now it will install the Malcare plugin on your website, and once it is installed, just click Initiate Sync and it will start scanning our site for any viruses or vulnerabilities. Once the scan is complete, you can see that it says our site is vulnerable. This doesn't mean that our site is hacked. It just means that we need to improve our security by taking a few steps. So next, let's see how we can make our WordPress site secure. Just scroll down here and you can see the scan results, and these are the vulnerabilities on our site. Here you can see that it has two plugins that are outdated. So to make our site secure, we need to update these two plugins. So let's update them. Just click on Update here. Select the plugins. Click on the update icon. Now click Next Step. Make sure Quick Update is selected and click Update. And there you go. All the plugins are now up to date. Next, let's check if there are any other security issues on our website. To do that, just go to Sites, then click on the website and click Review Security. Okay, here we can see that our site is clean and real-time protection is enabled, which means Malcare is protecting the site from hackers 24/7. Now it was good that our website just had a few outdated plugins and some vulnerability issues. But what if you have a website that's been infected by an actual virus, or worse, what if it's been hacked? Before we move on to fixing a hacked website, let me quickly tell you about an AI tool called GravityWrite. As a website owner, you might need to create content for your site, like blog posts, product descriptions, or even scripts for videos like this one. With GravityWrite, you can easily generate any type of content. Just answer a few questions, and there you go. You'll have a perfectly crafted content that suits your needs. So no more struggling with writing from scratch. If you want to save time and effort while creating content, just try GravityWrite. Now let's get back to fixing a hacked website with Malcare. Okay, now to get our website working normally again, we need to check for viruses and then remove them. So if you click on the website and click Review Security here, you can see that the website has been hacked. Now to check the viruses and remove them, just click Review Malware. And as you can see, this file is infected. To fix it, just click Clean All Malware and click Continue. And Malcare will start removing the viruses. And that's it. The viruses have been removed and our website is fixed. Malcare also provides a report on fixes, and to check it, just click View Report. And here you can see the details. Now this feature of removing viruses requires an upgraded Malcare plan. So make sure you upgrade before checking for viruses and removing them. Now let's check and see if our site has been fixed. So just go back to Malcare. Click here. Click Review Security. Here you can see that our site is clean. Next, let's see how to secure it from hackers. So to do that, just go to your inbox and you can see a mail like this. And if you don't find it, make sure to check the spam folder. Just open the mail and you can see that our WordPress password has been reset. Now this means that our site is secure and no one can log on to our site. Alright, now to log into our site, we need to create a new password. So to do that, open your WordPress login page and click Lost Your Password. Now enter your WordPress username or email address and click Get New Password. Okay, now you will get an email with a link to create a new password. So just go to your inbox, open this email and click on this link. Here you can create a new password and make sure you enter a strong password. Once you're done, click Save. And with that, we've created a new password. So to check whether it has been changed, let's go to our WordPress login page, enter our credentials here and click Login. And there you go. You can see that we have successfully created a new password and logged into our site. Now that we've seen how to fix a hacked website using Malcare, let's talk about preventing such issues in the first place. One way to do that is by choosing a reliable web hosting platform like WebSpaceKit. WebSpaceKit offers free domain, free SSL, and a drag and drop website builder with thousands of themes and plugins. Plus, if you sign up using the link in the description below, you will get a 10% discount on your hosting plan. So if you're looking for a hassle-free way to create and manage your WordPress site, check out WebSpaceKit. Alright, with that done, let's look at some of the most important features that Malcare offers. In addition to removing viruses and securing your site, the upgraded Malcare plan provides some really useful features like dedicated customer support, blocking spam, migrating websites, monitoring user activity, creating backups. Incredible, right? As you can see, Malcare is an all-in-one solution to remove virus, secure your site, and to manage it efficiently. To start using Malcare on your website, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful and want to create engaging content for your website effortlessly, try Gravity Write, the AI-powered writing assistant. And to host your website in a reliable and secure platform, check out WebSpaceKit. And don't forget to use the link in the description below for a 10% discount. So that's it guys, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care, bye bye.